another video. Okay, y'all, little explanation. I didn't know that this doll existed until a few days ago, maybe a week ago. I don't know. Time flies, y'all. But I was tagged in a post on Instagram, and if you guys didn't know I'm on Instagram, I am, and I will put the info in somewhere here to let y'all know. Anyway, I was tagged by J Dolls UK and Ellie, sorry if I butcher your last name, Nefret, I think is how it's pronounced. If it's not, I'm so sorry, about this doll. And like I said, I didn't even know it existed. So I just kind of did a little search and then found at one of the Targets that was near me, said that they had them in stock. And you guys know how that is. You can never count on that. So I was like, well, should I go? Should I not? But I needed some things. So I was like, well, we'll hit the Target. We'll see. And to my surprise, they had 3. And oh my God, now I have her. And this is my first ever Rainbow High. She is special edition Kia Heart. And oh my God, you guys, I love pink so much. I'm just over the moon. I cannot believe I found her. I got her. She was really expensive for me anyway. She was $39.99 American, US dollars, whatever you want to call it, which to me that's a big deal. Like, I don't really spend that much on dolls, but this was special. I had Christmas money, so I figured I'd splurge and get it because there was only 3 and she's a special edition. And I thought, if I don't, then I won't get it and I'll never have her because then her price will just go up because I could see it. I looked online. People have already bought her and want 80, 90, some odd crazy dollars for her just because she's hard to find and she's a special edition. I love the box. I love all her stuff. I can't wait to get into her and gush with you guys. Look at the back of this box. Is this not the cutest artwork? Oh my God, I love it. What does it say? It says, Kia is the matchmaker at Rainbow High, who always tells it like it is. Whether she's matching the perfect fashion pieces together or finding a special someone for one of her friends. Aw, isn't that adorable? Oh, I love it. I love the holo. I love all the stuff. And I did look, being a collector that I am, at all of them. And she was the only one that didn't have anything extra on her. There was one that had little black dots on this side of the face. There was one other one that had a smudge up here somewhere, like by the eyebrows. And her face, from what I could see from the outside of the box, was the best. So I grabbed her. I'm gonna get her out of the box because I know you guys don't want to see me fumbling with all that. And then I'm going to show you all her loveliness and cool accessories. Yay! Okay, I'm back and she has been deboxed and out of her box jail. And let me say, guys, I have deboxed a lot of dolls from a lot of different companies, and she was middle to hard. She had a lot of stays and a lot of things holding her in, wacky, that I wasn't used to because I've never had one of these yet. So it wasn't my favorite, but it definitely wasn't the absolute worst. So just saying. Now I left these like this so you could see them. They come from this side of the box over here where the holes are now. They come out real easy once you cut all the tape and everything. So I just wanted everybody to see that so that they know, because I didn't know. I'd seen in other unboxings kind of that, they could be removed and stuff. I just didn't know exactly how. I love the little extra detail that they put on because she's special edition with the like fancy bows. That's awesome. Love that. And I'm going to go through her outfits, her outfit, her extra one separate, after I talk about her. But I did want to say that I do actually really like her little comb. It looks like it's functional and it could actually be used to brush the doll's hair without pulling it out or making it funny. And I love the sparkles in it. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles, but yeah, there you go. So cool. You know me, I love pink, and she's so pink, guys. And here, I'm not going to undo these right now because I don't really need to, but I just wanted you to see that these are her extra little hanger things. So that is so cute. Loving that. And her doll stand is made exactly the same as the comb, and I love the little sparkles in it, and it says rainbow here. Love that. First of all, I don't know what I should do first. Well, I guess I'll do this first. This I was very unhappy with. Just saying, because there's literally nothing touching this part of her hand, and her hand is all stained. See that? Look at how stained her hand is. And she was literally like touching nothing that was dark. So I don't know where that came from. And she does have a little tiny dot there and a little like smudge here. So I don't know what's going on, but with these dolls, because I really do like them in all the reviews and things that I see and when I see them in the stores, but everybody that I've seen review them, they always have this problem and the little dots. So I don't know what that's about. That's no fun for us. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to get those off of there safely. And another con, I hate doing so many cons all at once, but her fingernails, guys, are not painted well at all. It's not in the nail beds the way it should be. It's all kind of blobby and not nice. So boo for that. Those are the most of the bad things that I experienced just, taking her out and looking at her. And the shoes, I love the shoes, but they didn't want to stay on her feet. They're real loose. So anybody who gets her, just be aware of that. The original shoes, I don't know about the ones with the socks yet because I haven't tried those on her, but just be aware that, you're probably going to need to put some museum putty or like something in there to keep those on properly. On to all the stuff that I love. I love these pants. They are so adorable and stretchy and cute and sparkly and everything girly that I love. The shoe just fell off and I barely moved her. So, honest reviews, guys. Not that I don't love her, because I really do. There's just some things that, aren't so great. This is adorable. The pockets actually work. Her little booty pockets say XOXO because she's like a Valentine doll. And now this, that's supposed to be like, a hood, but there's no way that would be functional and go over her head. Come on, guys, really? Now her belt is really stiff, this part of the belt. I don't mind that at all. It's an observation, to be honest. And this is so cute. The little extra heart dangle on the pocket. I so love that. Love the little checkery pattern on the shirt and the I love you, but I've chosen fashion. That's adorable. And the little pull strings, they're like tacked down. So that's nice, so that they'll like stay like that. So you don't have to worry about it. Loving that. Loving the earrings. Guys, come on. Those are adorable. They're so cute. And I love that I got both of them this time because, if you guys watched my last unboxing, I got some missing accessories, which, boo, made me sad, but I'm working on fixing it. I looked up, you can contact the company, so I'm going to do that. And this doesn't want to stay, but it's because, guys, this is a brick. These front pieces that they wanted to stay curly or pretty in the box are just bricks of hair. And it's awful and I hate it. But you know me, I'm going to remedy that. I'm going to fix that ASAP for sure. But the hair in the back that is not got any product on it is super soft. It feels like super nice quality, thick, and it looks funny, like sparsely rooted, just because of, the fact that they had her, with the stays in the box and they had to mush it all out and they've got all this product in it. But there is a ton of hair here, guys, and I can't wait to get into it and fix it. I love this pastel rainbow coloring in the hair. I couldn't love this more. This is absolutely all my favorite colors. And this, I just know that once I brush it out and wash it out, this hair is going to be absolutely stunningly gorgeous. I actually really kind of love the style. I love the two little braids on top and her little clips to hold the side hair back that say love. All the pink overload, pink cuteness, pink. I love it. Yeah. I love her pink lips. They are so, so pretty. Just look at her, guys. Like, some people have a problem with the sparkly on the skin. Me, not so much. I think it's a unique quality to these dolls that, sets them apart. Love the glass eyes and the eyelashes. Those are stunning. And her pink makeup, I'm going to pull this back a little so you can see. Hopefully you can see the iridescence in her pink makeup. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love the little eyebrows, the little curved eyebrows. And can we talk about this Slade lovely cat eye eyeliner? Loving it. Just so love it. I love her little beauty mark. The quality so far is absolutely wonderful. She's gorgeous to me, and I can't wait to check out these pieces of her outfit. So we're going to put her back on the stand. I'm going to take them out, redress her, and show you what that looks like. Yay! Okay, y'all, that took a minute, I will say. I did want to mention, because I don't know, these are so new. I know nobody probably has these yet. This is 2 pieces. Her first outfit. And I didn't know that. I thought it was all 1 piece, but it's 2 separate pieces. So you can use both pieces, which I think that's pretty cool. As far as the shoes goes, I love the way they look. Absolutely hated putting them on. It took forever. It was very precarious, very hard having to jam them in there. They don't fit easily. It's going to take you a minute to get them on there and not break them, because the strap at the top doesn't have like a closure where you can open and close it. It's all just like one solid piece that you have to shove the foot through. So that was definitely no fun. Also, for the no fun, I had to use these tweezers just to get this little bit of the shirt to come through, and it kind of pulled it and stretched it and made it funny. And I tried and tried and tried and could not get the long sleeve of this undershirt through this arm. So I just left it. That's why her arms are kind of funny sticking out, because I can't really get them to bend because of the way the shirt, the double shirt is in there. I do think that the pieces are made pretty well, not great, because this keeps unraveling. Here you can see the strings keep coming off. That I'm not a fan of. If anybody hasn't had these dolls like me, and this is my first experience, I'm just, I'm not trying to get down on the dolls. I actually really do love the doll. I'm just letting you know the problems and things that I have and things that I didn't like about, putting the clothing on and dealing with all that stuff. So that's all that's about. This little half like tied around the waist shirt is not a real shirt. It's just like for decoration. It has Velcro in the back. I do love all the patches. The patches are great. I love that that's kind of like, it's a faux pocket, but at least they made the flap. Look at this. It says darling and be sweet. Oh, how cute. They look like, what are those? The little sweet candies that are hearts. I guess they're sweetheart candies. I'm not sure, for Valentine's Day. But anyway, these are all real patches that I absolutely love. This is real denim that I absolutely love. I love that these little like faux button snaps are actual metal and they're on there. And I love all the stitching. Really, really cute. Really, really good quality as far as that goes. Love the little rhinestones on the pocket here, guys. These are so cute. But another thing, it's like a happy thing and a sad thing at the same time, because these pockets are actual pockets, but they have like a white pocket lining, like real pockets on our jeans would have, and they stuck out the bottom. Like they were sticking out, and I didn't like that. I don't know if that was meant to be that way or not, but for me, I didn't like it, so I jammed them back up in there. Oh, let's see. No pockets on the back. Really cute socks. Love the socks, but they are kind of like when I was having to jam the foot on where they're sewn in the back here, the stitching kind of like came loose a little. So that wasn't fun. Love the little furry toe on the shoes. Love that the heel on the shoes is a heart, and that the shoes themselves have like, hopefully you can see, it's like iridescent or hollow. It's really, really pretty. Lots of great things about this doll and this doll line, because this is my first experience with it. But, just a few little things that I just wasn't happy with. But, all collectors, we're not going to be happy with every little thing that they have. I prefer the pants that she came in, even though I really love these. These are super cute. I love the Heartbreaker top. And I love the jean jacket, but I know that I won't be putting it together like this because of the fact that you can't, it's so stiff. Like I can barely get her arm to move on this side because I got like the end to come out. But on this side, I can't really, it's like all just bunched up in there, and I hate that. But I took a magic eraser and I got most of the black off of her hand. I couldn't get it all off of like this part and her thumb. So I'm going to have to either use some like acne treatment or something on that and set it in the sun to get that deep staining off of there. I think that because they had her posed with her thumbs in her pocket is why that happened. That's the only reason I can come up with why that would happen. You know, she's got the articulation. I'm not such a huge fan of the way that looks, so that's, you know, probably why I would tend to put the pants back on her so I don't have to look at that, because I don't really like the way those look. But overall, like I said, definitely 9 out of 10. And you know me, guys, I couldn't resist. I brushed out her hair because I just couldn't stand all that crunchy. Like, I'm still gonna wash it and like let it air dry and everything and make it even better. But look at this gorgeous. It's so soft. Love, love, love all her pink. Loving, loving, loving it. You know, overall, I am over the moon for this doll. I can't believe that she's so new and I actually got her. I'm usually like one of the last people to get things, and I feel like I'm more like one of the first with her, and I feel super lucky. She's super gorgeous to me. You know, out of all the things, you know, I'm still really happy with her. I just want to give you guys honest reviews when I'm reviewing something, to let you know every little thing, so that, you know, if you're like me and can't really afford the dolls when they first come out and they're, you know, brand new and full price, it'll give you an idea of what to expect. So maybe you might wait or spend your money a different way until they go on sale or something. That's all. I love this doll 100%. Just didn't like all the little defects and all the little things. That's all. Well, y'all, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed my deboxing of this beautiful new special edition Kia Hart from Rainbow High. My absolutely first Rainbow High. Yay! Now I'm in the Rainbow High Club, y'all. As always, I hope that everyone watching is well, happy, and safe, and that all good things that are in this life that can come to you, that they will. Once again, giant, huge Kia Hart subscriber love to all my lovely subscribers. You guys are the best. I checked this morning. I am up to 291. Like, I don't know what to say, guys. Just thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming on my Dolly silliness journey. I can't tell you how much that means to me. It's so great. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should, because I do everything Dolly fun, Dolly silliness, Dolly collector, all the good things. I love all kinds of toys. I do all kinds of things. I do honest reviews. I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I'm going to let you guys know exactly what I'm thinking. So if you want to become part of this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family and see all my Dolly silliness, come on in, join us, and you can be part of it too. Thanks so much for watching. That's it for today. I have more videos coming soon, I promise. So for now, I have to say, bye y'all!